Greetings, this is Frank McDowell, Instructional Officer for Secondary Science at Socorro Independent School District, and I am one of the Science Fair coordinators in the district as well. And I'd first like to thank you for volunteering your time to work with our students and to judge sweepstakes for our district Science Fair. This is a short tutorial explaining what sweepstakes is and how to judge sweepstakes, so let's get it going. The first thing, sweepstakes is there are 21 categories in our science fair, and those 21 categories get divided into three general categories. Those categories are engineering, which would include biomedical engineering, embedded systems, engineering mechanics, environmental engineering, mathematics, robotics, and intelligent machines, and system software. The second category is life, which includes animal sciences, behavioral and social sciences, biomedical and health sciences, cellular and molecular biology, computational biology and bioinformatics, microbiology, plant sciences, and translational medical science. And our final category is physical, which includes the categories biochemistry, chemistry, earth and environmental, energy, design, material science, and physics and astronomy. As a sweepstakes judge, you are going to see the first place finishers in each one of these categories, these 21 categories, and you are going to determine which is the best project in that one particular category. So 3 judges are assigned to engineering, 3 judges are assigned to judge sweepstakes for life, and 3 judges are assigned to physical to judge physical. So as a sweepstakes judge, you are essentially determining the best of the best in each one of these 3 main categories. Now, you should have received an email that has the link to this tutorial as well. And it has the videos that coincide with from the number 1 present projects from each one of the categories. So you can see here in this that you received this via email. This is the email for the physical categories, sweepstakes, and you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos here, video links to our first place finishers for each one of those 6 different categories that contain physical. So you will have you will watch the 6 videos, and then you will score using Microsoft Forms. So here are our 6 videos. These are our first place presentations for each of the subcategories. And then this is the link to our Microsoft judging form. You would click on that link. This is what it would look like. So it's Microsoft Forms, and you'll see one of these icons. So if you're assigned to physical, you'll see this first icon here. If you're assigned to engineering, you'd see this icon. If you're assigned to life, you would see this icon. And then within it, you would see the list of subcategories, instructions, and the participant. So you can go through and see that. So here are the instructions. And what you're going to do is you are going to watch the videos that are there, and you are going to rank them in order from first to the last one. So whether there's 6 videos in the category, it'd be first to 6th, or one of the categories has 7, you would rank it from 1st to 7. And the way you do that is you would make sure you watch the video for this student. The video, and then we would find her, and then we could drag and drop. So all you're doing is clicking on a title, and you can drag it to wherever you want it to be, or you have the option of clicking on the arrows to move it to wherever you want to be, but it has to be in order from 1 to the last one, and your number 1 choice is your best project out of the projects that you have viewed. Once you've done that, you will submit, and you are finished. As always, I will make myself available in the email. My contact information is there, so you can email me. You can send a text to my cell phone. That's probably the easiest way, and I can make any adjustments. If you're having any issues viewing the videos or having any issues accessing the MS Forms, let me know, and I will make sure that we get you access to anything. Again, thank you. Our science fairs could not happen without volunteers like yourselves making this happen, and our kids appreciate it. And this is a big event for a lot of our students. So thank you again for your time. Have fun.